Let's learn about CAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.3.2 Labels or Instructions. This criterion requires that user interface components that require user input have labels or instructions that identify the purpose or function of the component. This helps users understand what they need to do and how to interact with a component. Here are some examples of how to implement this criterion. Adding a label to a form input field. In this example, the element is associated with the field using the for attribute, which has the same value as the ID attribute of the input field. This ensures that when the user clicks on the label, the focus is automatically set to the associated input field. Adding instructions to a form. In this example, the form includes a heading and a paragraph that provide instructions to the user. Each input field also has a corresponding element that identifies the purpose of the field. Using ARIA to add labels to custom components. In this example, a custom component, a play button, is created using an element with a role attribute set to button. The tab index attribute allows the user to navigate to the element using the keyboard. The ARIA label attribute provides a label that identifies the purpose of the button. These are just a few examples of how to implement Success Criterion 3.3.2. The key is to ensure that all user interface components have clear labels or instructions that identify their purpose or function.